Hi, I am here in Villa Berea at 3337 Archer Avenue, and I have a client who is wanting a courtyard villa on the golf course, so I think this one might be a perfect fit. And this one's being hosted by Remax Premier Realty, and the listing agent is LD Black, who happens to be having an open house right now. So I thought I would pop in and see if this home is going to be the perfect match for my client. So let's go take a peek inside. Hi, LD.
Oh my goodness! Wait, I don't know if someone's on the
This
phone.
is LD.
Hi. Excuse me.
How are you?
Oh, you're doing a video?
I am
walkthrough?
doing a video for a potential client, and I want to see the views. So, yes. All right, here is the view. Like I said, it's a courtyard villa, but look, it is all screened in. Gorgeous.
Hello.
Hello. Look at that view.
Beautiful.
Wow, that's stunning.
This one won't last. And you don't
Look
want to
at
see me.
that.
The
You're
only
good.
problem with this unit is the people over there.
Are they too much fun?
That's where
Too much fun. Look at this view. Love it. Well, I don't know about you, but this view is just spectacular. I am super excited to show my clients this and see if this home is going to be the perfect match for them. But in the meantime, I'm going to go in and say hi again to LD, and let's see if this one works.